What if I told you that a single concept, just one, transformed our understanding of the universe? It changed how we calculate, how we communicate, and even how we explore the stars. That concept is zero, a number that represents nothing but has given us everything. Let's go back 5,000 years to the cradle of civilization, Mesopotamia. Here, the Sumerians developed one of the earliest number systems. But they faced a problem. How do you distinguish between, say, 12 and 102? Their solution was a symbol. Two slanted wedges, placed between numbers to show the absence of a value. It was the birth of the placeholder 0. While revolutionary, it was not yet a number with its own properties. For the Sumerians, it was simply a tool to keep their numbers organized. Now, let's jump forward to the 4th century CE, to the lush jungles of Central America. The Mayans independently created their own 0, represented as an eye-like symbol. It was essential for their complex calendar systems. Imagine tracking planetary movements or predicting solar eclipses without 0. It would have been nearly impossible. Yet, like the Sumerians, the Mayans didn't treat 0 as a full-fledged number. The true breakthrough came in India during the 7th century. This is where 0 found its identity, not just as a placeholder, but as a number with its own rules and logic. The Indian mathematician Brahmagupta was the visionary behind this transformation. In his book Brahmasfuta Siddhanta, he defined how 0 interacts with other numbers. Add 0, subtract it, or multiply it. It behaves predictably. Divide by 0, and things get complicated, even chaotic. Brahmagupta didn't stop there. He introduced negative numbers, a concept that seemed absurd at the time. Yet it opened the door to algebra, calculus, and other advanced fields of mathematics. From India, 0 began its journey across continents. Arab scholars, during the Islamic Golden Age, adopted it and refined it. They saw 0's potential for solving complex equations and charting the stars. One such scholar, Al-Khwarizmi, whose name gives us the term algorithm, played a key role in spreading 0. By the 12th century, Fibonacci brought 0 to Europe through his book Liber Abaci, but not everyone embraced it. To the ancient Greeks, the idea of nothing was unsettling. Aristotle rejected the void, arguing that nature abhors it. Early Christian philosophers shared this skepticism. They saw the void as a contradiction to the existence of God. For centuries, 0 was more than a mathematical concept. It was a philosophical battleground. But as commerce and science grew, so did 0's importance. Merchants needed it for accounting, navigators for mapping, and scientists for calculations. Slowly, 0 became indispensable. By the Renaissance, it was fully integrated into European thought. It helped fuel the scientific revolution and paved the way for modern mathematics. Now let's pause to appreciate what 0 has given us. First, it's the foundation of our number system. Without 0, we couldn't express large numbers efficiently. Imagine writing 1 million without using zeros. It's unthinkable. 0 also serves as the origin point on graphs, where positive and negative values meet. It's the bridge between opposites, a universal reference point. In calculus, 0 allows us to calculate rates of change, leading to innovations in physics, engineering, and technology. In probability, 0 represents impossibility, helping us quantify uncertainty. And in geometry, it's the foundation of coordinate systems, enabling us to map everything from city streets to the stars. Speaking of stars, 0 is the backbone of modern computing. Binary code, the language of computers, is built on just two numbers, 0 and 1. Every smartphone, every website, every AI relies on this simple binary system. Without 0, the digital world as we know it would collapse. But zero's impact goes beyond math and technology. It's a concept that challenges us to think about existence itself. Philosophically, zero represents the void, the absence of something. In physics, it appears in concepts like absolute zero, the point where all molecular motion stops. Absolute zero is unreachable, yet the pursuit of it has led to groundbreaking discoveries, like superconductivity, where electricity flows without resistance. And then there's cosmology. The universe, as we understand it, began from a singularity, a point of infinite density and zero volume. Zero, in this context, isn't just a number, it's a key to understanding the origins of everything. Zero is also deeply human. It reflects our capacity for abstraction, our ability to imagine the unimaginable. In ancient India, zero was called sunya, meaning empty. This emptiness wasn't feared, it was revered, seen as a space for creation. In existential philosophy, zero represents the freedom to define ourselves, to build meaning from nothing. Even today, zero continues to evolve. In artificial intelligence, it plays a role in decision-making algorithms. In quantum computing, zeros and ones form qubits, which could revolutionize how we process information. Zero is also central to understanding dark matter and the mysteries of the universe. So, the next time you see a zero, don't take it for granted. Think about the journey it took to get here. From the clay tablets of the Sumerians to the cutting-edge labs of quantum physicists, zero isn't just a number, it's a symbol of humanity's endless curiosity and ingenuity. Without zero, we'd be lost in a world of limitations. With it, we've unlocked infinite possibilities. Zero reminds us that even nothing can change everything.